Hello, this is Miss Karen, your English teacher. Today we're going to do a spelling test. It's based on the song, The Best Times of Every Year, composed by Miss Karen. If you don't know the song yet, well then you can't do the test, because you need to know the words to the song and you need to have studied how to spell them. Because in this test, you're going to have to fill in the blanks. So you have to know the words and how to spell them. As you can see, there are 20 blank spots. If you don't have this test sheet, don't worry. You can still do the test if you know the song. All you need to do is get your notebook and write down the numbers. 1 to 20. And then you can write your answers in these spots here. Don't forget to write your name and the date where you are. And remember, in English, the date must start with a capital letter. Write the title, Test, The Best Times of Every Year. At the bottom, write total score on 20. If at any time you find that the test is going too fast, just pause the video and take your time to think about the answers. Let's begin. Number 1. Blank, I can outside. I'll give you a hint here to get you started. This one starts with the letter J. In that month, I can outside. And that's a sport that you do outside that starts with the letter S. If you're filling it out here, you fill out number 1 and then number 2. Let's continue. February. Down a hill I whoosh. What do you do down a hill? Number 4. In that month, the blank from the trees it flows. Now remember, this song was written in Canada, and in Canada we have maple trees. And maple trees give us some kind of yummy treat. And in the month of, you have to write it here, the from the trees it flows. Remember to spell things properly. Remember to have capital letters at the beginning of your sentences. And that the months of the year in English start with a capital letter also. Now, we're here at number 6. April, it's, and away the snow it goes. What happens in April? Number 7. May is when the start to bloom. What blooms in the month of May? I wonder. What blooms in the month of May? Let's continue. Number 8. In this month, it's nice outside. I can lie and at the moon. That's another word for look. Number 10. In that month, I can blank in a beautiful lake. That's a sport you do in a lake. What do you do in a lake? Starts with the letter S. So number 10, that answer would go over here. And then you're ready to start 11 over here, which is this answer here. August, it's still out. What's the temperature like in August in Canada? August, it's still out. There are no leaves to because the leaves are still in the trees in the month of August. Now we have the chorus of the song, and the chorus, that's a pretty part. That's where all the students stand up and wave their hands from side to side. And it says, "The best times of every year are when you, my friends, are near. Winter, summer, fall, or spring. To my heart, it's joy that you bring." Now we continue and we're on to the last 4 lines here. And in September, what happens in Canada in September? In September, I am back again at number 14. Number 14. Where do you go after summer? You go back to October. The is quite cool. Starts with the letter W. 16. In that month, the leaves are gone, but beauty anyway. Even though the leaves are gone. 18. The last month of the year. School is for the, that's another word for vacation. And then we go back to the chorus, and that gets sung twice. Now we're ready to correct the test. You will need to get a red pen or some other color to correct. You're going to correct your own test. I trust you. I believe that you're going to tell the truth. That way you'll learn. And don't worry, if you don't get a perfect score, that's okay. You can just come back and watch the video again. Let's correct the test. Put an X for wrong and a check for right. Put an X for wrong and a check for right. These are the correct answers. Let's review them in the context of the song. In the month of January, I can skate outside. January, skate. Capital January. Remember, you need to spell all these words perfectly because it's a spelling test. If you make a mistake, that's okay. You'll learn from it. Just put the correct answer beside it here. Don't just put an X. Continue. February. Down a hill I slide. Number 4 is March. The syrup. Syrup comes from a tree. From the trees it flows. Number 6. April, it's raining, and away the snow it goes. It's raining. That's a verb. May is when the when the flowers start to bloom. May is when the flowers start to bloom. June, it's nice outside. June, the month of June, June. That's number 8. It's nice outside. I lie and gaze. To gaze means to look at something for a long time. I lie and gaze at the moon. July, I can swim in a beautiful lake. August, it's still warm out. There are no leaves to rake. Rake. Let's review over here again. These are the correct answers. And we're here at number 14. After the chorus, we sing about coming back to school, and we come back to school in September. September, I am back again at school. School, S-C-H-O-O-L. October, the weather. The weather is quite cool. November, number 16 is November. November leaves are gone, but I find beauty anyway. Even when it's gray and dark in November, we can still find beauty. The last sentence is December. School is closed for the holidays. December is spelled D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. School is closed for the holidays. At the bottom here, you could see some little pictures. Here is winter, summer, fall, and spring. So, Miss Karen says to you, it's time to write your total now. Write your total on the line. Count all the check marks. The check marks means it's good. And on this test, of course, because I'm showing you, I'm giving you all the right answers, so it's 20 on 20. I hope you enjoyed doing this little test and that you had fun learning the months of the year. And if you'd like to learn this song and you don't know what we're talking about and you're just watching this video, you can go to MissKarenEnglishTeacher.com and you can listen to all the words there and practice singing it. Bye-bye for now.